Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a, I don't know, I think it's a 2013 Ford F-150 XTR XLT. It's got a dent right here. You guys can see this one right here. And the brace actually it starts right about here and it goes back. So I've got my tip just stuck in there and I found where we want to be. And that's as far as I can get, which is actually past the dent. I don't know if you guys can see me or not. Get a good angle here. And I'm going to start at the bottom of this dent and just start working it nice and slow. Please excuse the outside noise, the background noise. We are out here in nature on a car dealership. Oh, kind of a very severe push there. And now I'm coming up towards the top of it. These pushes I'm making are pretty severe. Now I'm going to grab my hammy and tappy. Those were pretty strong pushes that I had to make. And I'm just braced up right underneath that brace. So move that tool a little bit, get a little bit fine of an angle, and start taking down some of these high spots. Maybe bang it into a little bit of a dent again, but it's what has to be done on such a large dent. I do appreciate y'all clicking on the video. If you would, hit that subscribe button. It helps out the channel a lot. Let's get back up into it. Now, I'm on the very top. I don't know if you can see me or not, but I'm very, very top of it, making some real strong pushes. Come down through the middle, right in the center of that, where it seems to be the most ornery, not wanting to move. There we go, I got a lot of that out. And let's come back down with the tapper. Bring some of this line out. This is a quick little wholesale dent. And once again, please excuse the background noise. To say that if I was doing this one retail, would I use heat? Yeah, I probably would. I would probably get my heat gun out and heat it up. But we're just cleaning this up real nice, real quick, in a wholesale fashion. If we can get it to that point that you just can't see it without having a board on it, then that's what we want. Now we'll say that the dent is mostly out, but it's got those high spots through it. Let's get the board even tighter, take out some of these high lines. And once again, it's a patience thing. Let's that's the last little bit out. I sure do like this new board. It shows everything. There we go. I mean, let's give it a little bit finer of an angle so we can see a little bit more. There we are, a little bit high. Down here it's a little low and a little high through the middle up top. So let's get this high out. Right at the crest. And we're almost hitting that final stretch, guys. I sure do appreciate y'all sticking around through this video with the loud background noise and a lot of taps. As far as a wholesale dent on a door that was pretty large, I think we got it out pretty quick. It's obviously not a race, quite the opposite, but I do want to get them out nice and prompt when I'm on video. So yeah, I think we're looking pretty darn good. Let me move this back a little bit. Take one more final approach at it and just say, wow, there we go. A little bit more of this tightened area. Now guys, this is right behind a brace, so you can hear the tension in this metal is still wanting to stay there. That's why I had to make the severe pushes that I did. It was because of the location. But that's what we wanted. Let's get that wax and rag, and I'll take that stuff out. My little tap marks, I'll get them out right here. And at this point, I'd say, sure do appreciate y'all for clicking on the video. If you would, hit that like button on the way out. Let's see what this thing looks like. If I need to make a couple more taps, I will. If I need to make a couple more pushes, I will. But wanted to get you guys in here for this one. It's got a little bit of a high wave. I still need to make some more taps. Let's just stay with it for one more minute. And that's where we get this one looking a lot nicer. Just clean that up right before your very eyes. And I think we're gonna pretty much call this one looking good for that wholesale job. Once again, thank you all for sticking around. This has been PDR, and I'm out. Peace.